Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about full cast in Chinese drama, The Last Cook. So, let's start the video. Hailu as Roer, headed off by the 15 October 1984 and she is 39 years old. Jiling Chen as Lizzie. He set off by the 15 July 1993 and he is 30 years old. Ryan Yao as Lu Xiaotong. He set off by the 17 March 1988 and he is 35 years old. Li Nan as Liu Er. He set off by the 15 October 1996 and he is 27 years old. Wang Yise as Li Yumei. He set off by the 14 May 1984 and he is 29 years old. Marcus Lee as Puyi. He set off by the 29 December 1996 and he is 26 years old. Wu Hangyu as Imperial Noble Consort Dunhui, headed off by the 6 November 1979 and she is 43 years old. Li Puwen as Xin Fang. He set off by the 24 December 1982 and he is 30 years old. Zhang Tilin as Liu Fugui. He set off by the 15 June 1957 and he is 66 years old. Stephy Tang as Sosi. Headed off by the 15 October 1983 and she is 40 years old. Shen Li as Consort Jin. Headed off by the 17 September 1976 and she is 47 years old.